I also want to talk to you about how do you manage your personal life? क्योंकि इतनी चैलेंजिंग जॉब है, इतने ऊट पटांग टाइम शेड्यूल है.
Correct.
Does it really affect your romantic relationship, your personal relationship, your personal life? How does it happen? How do you manage?
Okay. So Sonal, I mean, like, 20 years of flying experience. I must say you should have a very understanding life partner and a supportive family too. Because once you are married and you are a flying crew, I am not saying only for the cabin crew, it even goes to the cockpit crew. Females हैं, males हैं. आप जब घर छोड़कर आ रहे हो, बेटो आप किसी के बेटे हो, किसी के भाई हो, किसी के पिता हो, आप भी हो वो सब. And then Rakshabandhan. We are not into like, कि हमें, because we are into hospitality industry. Every day there are so many departures. And, Rakshabandhan में भाई, बहन, आपको, आप नहीं every year. Because, like, see, whether to be railways or aviation, railways, we are into hospitality, it has to run. These are the mode of transportation. It cannot be stopped. अगर आज मुझे चाहिए, तो there are a lot of others. And, everybody cannot get the leaves altogether.
Right.
So again, you should have a very understanding family. Very understanding family. You should have understanding life partner because we fly in very irregular timing. जब दुनिया सो रही है, तब हम उठ के तैयार होते हैं और हम फ्लाइट्स पर जाते हैं. और जब हम लौट कर आते हैं, तब वो टाइम होता है लोगों का उठने का. मतलब आफ्टरनून में you are coming back, people hardly sleep. That's the time irregular. And that's the body your body needs to rest. तब आप सो रहे हो. अगर आप बहू हो, then your mother-in-law should understand that you are actually taking rest because you have worked the entire night.
And then you have to get up and go to the other flight.
After there are certain clauses like, minimum rest period of 8 hours, then again you are going back for your work. So in that case, touchwood, like I'm blessed to have such supportive family and a good husband. But yes, so challenges are there. If you have, challenges are everywhere. So if you have very supportive family, so you can go ahead with this. Because this is something like, this is something very lucrative also. You don't want to miss out on this. See, अगर छुट्टी नहीं मिली तो आपको भी लगता है पेरेंट्स, I have 2 daughters, अभी उनके PTAs हैं. So if you are unable to attend those PTAs, not because of not having leaves everywhere you get your leaves and all, but again, like, the crisis comes in case, for an example, like, if evacuation flights are there, you must have heard, like, Air India as a national carrier was always there in front.
Right.
Okay.
During COVID also.
Yes. During COVID also. So we have to be on toes. Then that time we can't. We have to be, there is a call of duty, we have to be there. So supporting family is must.
True.
And yes.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि हम इस चैनल पे ऐसे ही बहुत सारे बहुत फन एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्लिप्स डालते रहते हैं. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.